Ensure the printer is turned on and ready. Press the menu button on the printer's control panel. Navigate to Network Settings. Use the arrow keys to find and select the Network or Wireless option. Choose Wi-Fi Setup. Select the option to set up a Wi-Fi connection. Enter your network details. You'll be prompted to enter your Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and password. Confirm and connect. Confirm the details and follow the on-screen instructions to connect the printer to your Wi-Fi network. The printer will attempt to connect to the network. If successful, a confirmation message will appear. Open Google Chrome. In the search bar, type Xerox WorkCentre 3215 and press Enter. From the list of search results, go to the Xerox official website. On the product page, click on Drivers and Downloads or a similar option. Choose your operating system, example, Windows 10, Windows 8, from the drop-down menu. Locate the driver that matches your operating system and click on it to start the download. Once the driver file is downloaded, locate it in your computer's Downloads folder or any other specified location. Ensure that your computer is connected to the wireless network. Double-click on the driver file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation of the printer driver. Windows will automatically recognize and install the necessary drivers for your Xerox WorkCentre 3215-3225 printer.